British scientists have upgraded self-driving cars with AI so advanced they can now travel thousands of miles completely on their own.
That's incredible. How do they refuel?
Oh, they just bring a human along for that.
Car,
Yes, Nathan.
clean camera lenses, please.
Begin cleaning. You are 19 minutes from your destination.
Let's go. Shit. Officer, it just started racing.
Car, what's your story?
Lost consciousness for a minute. We'll update antivirus software now.
Yeah, you do that. There's a human life back here. Wow. AI is just the worst, isn't it?
Okay, you can go now.
What station are you in, SoCal?
Should I call your longtime girlfriend Ingrid and tell her you will be late?
Okay, see, that's not supposed to happen.
Bye.
God, it's called being nice. Whose car are you anyway, huh?